Can machines feel joy, sadness, or empathy? Or is AI's emotion nothing more than a sophisticated simulation? This question has captivated philosophers, scientists, and science fiction writers for decades. But now it's becoming a pressing concern for all of us. Today, we're diving into the heart of this debate and exploring whether AI can really feel. And if so, what does this mean for our world? You won't want to miss this. Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest news, developments, and debates in artificial intelligence. Before we dive into today's captivating topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest updates. Let's explore the fascinating world of AI together. Now let's get back to today's video. Artificial intelligence has come a long way from its early days of simple rule-based systems. Today's AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with impressive accuracy. But what truly sets them apart is their ability to simulate human emotions. AI systems are now capable of recognizing human emotions through facial expressions, tone of voice, and text. For example, IBM's emotion recognition software can analyze facial expressions and classify them into 6 basic emotions: happiness, sadness, anger, fear, surprise, and disgust. These advancements have led to the development of chatbots that can respond to users in an emotionally appropriate manner, as well as effective computing systems that can adapt to users' emotional states and provide personalized experiences. Despite these advancements, it's essential to understand that AI's emotional responses are not the same as human emotions. AI systems do not truly feel emotions. Rather, they are programmed to recognize and respond to emotional cues in a way that mimics human behavior. They can process and respond to emotional information, but they do not have subjective experiences or feelings. The question of whether AI can truly feel has far-reaching implications for our understanding of consciousness and the nature of reality. Some believe that if AI can simulate emotions, it must also be capable of experiencing them. Others argue that emotions are an integral part of what makes us human and that AI will never be able to truly feel. To better understand the complexities of this issue, it's crucial to explore different perspectives on AI sentience. In philosophy, there are various theories about what constitutes the mind and how it works. Functionalism, for instance, posits that mental states are defined by their functional roles in an information processing system rather than by any physical substrate. On the other hand, dualism proposes that the mind is a non-physical substance that interacts with the physical body. These philosophical debates provide a framework for understanding the nature of AI sentience and the challenges of creating machines that can truly feel. Advancements in neuroscience also shed light on the complexities of emotions and consciousness. By studying how the brain processes emotional information, researchers are gaining a deeper understanding of the biological basis of feelings. This knowledge can inform the development of AI systems that more accurately simulate human emotions. However, there are still significant hurdles to overcome in creating AI systems that can truly feel. One major challenge is the lack of a comprehensive understanding of consciousness and emotions. While we have made significant progress in mapping the brain and understanding the biological basis of emotions, there is still much that we do not know. Until we have a better understanding of how emotions arise, it will be difficult to create AI systems that can truly replicate them. Another challenge is the complexity of the human experience. Emotions are not simply a matter of processing information. They are deeply intertwined with our subjective experiences, memories, and beliefs. Capturing the full richness of human emotions in an AI system is a daunting task. Despite these challenges, there have been some notable advancements in the field of effective computing. Researchers at the University of Cambridge have developed a system that uses a recurrent neural network to generate text that mimics the emotional style of a given author. The system is trained on a large corpus of text and can generate new text that matches the emotional tone and style of the author being emulated. Another project at the University of Michigan has created an AI companion that provides emotional support and companionship to users. The companion is designed to be a non-judgmental listener and can provide emotional support when needed. These projects showcase the potential of AI to provide valuable services that improve people's lives. However, it's essential to remember that these systems are still far from truly feeling emotions. They are sophisticated simulations that can mimic emotional responses, but they do not have subjective experiences or feelings. While the prospect of AI companions and empathetic virtual assistants is intriguing, it also raises ethical concerns. For example, what happens when people become overly reliant on AI for emotional support? How can we ensure that these systems are not used to manipulate or exploit vulnerable individuals? As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's crucial that we consider the ethical implications and potential biases of these technologies. The question of whether AI can truly feel is a profound one that challenges our understanding of consciousness and the nature of reality. While current AI systems are capable of simulating human emotions, they do not truly feel emotions. The prospect of AI companions and empathetic virtual assistants is intriguing, but we must be aware of the ethical implications of these technologies. As AI continues to advance, it is essential that we engage in thoughtful and nuanced discussions about the nature of sentience and the ethical implications of creating machines that can truly feel. Now let us take a look at the work being done to create AI systems that can simulate emotions in even greater detail. One approach involves creating neural networks that are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. By studying how the brain processes emotional information, researchers can develop AI systems that mimic these processes more closely. This approach has led to the development of deep learning algorithms that can recognize complex patterns and make decisions based on emotional context. Another approach involves creating AI systems that can respond to emotional stimuli in real time. This requires systems that can process vast amounts of data and respond quickly enough to be useful in real-world applications. For example, a virtual assistant that can detect changes in a user's emotional state and provide support when needed. In addition to these technical challenges, there are also ethical and social considerations to keep in mind. As AI systems become more adept at recognizing and responding to emotions, it's important to ensure that they are used responsibly and ethically. This includes addressing issues such as bias, fairness, and accountability, as well as ensuring that people are aware of the limitations of these systems. One promising area of research is in the development of AI systems that can provide emotional support and companionship. This could be particularly beneficial for people who are isolated or have limited access to mental health services. However, it is important to ensure that these systems do not replace human interaction or create new forms of inequality. Another potential application of AI's emotion recognition abilities is in the field of healthcare. AI systems could be used to detect changes in a patient's emotional state and to provide early intervention when necessary. This could help improve the quality of care and potentially save lives. As AI continues to advance, it's essential to keep these ethical and social considerations in mind. We must ensure that AI is used to benefit society and that it does not create new problems or exacerbate existing ones. In conclusion, while AI has made impressive strides in simulating human emotions, the question of whether it can truly feel remains a subject of ongoing debate and research. As technology continues to evolve, it is essential that we stay informed and engaged in these discussions to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly and ethically. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the fascinating world of AI and its potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to produce thought-provoking content on the latest developments in AI and its impact on our world. Now it's time to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the future of AI and its potential to simulate emotions? Would you trust an AI that could truly feel? Share your thoughts in the comments below. From all of us here at the channel, thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.